Hello there, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I want to show you what you get in your kit. It is loaded. So this is the Capture the Fun kit for the Turning Pages album. This is the album, and this is the box. How fun. So with this kit, you will be able to make the album and the box, and you get everything that you need to create this beautiful keepsake. Look at that cover, how darling, everything, including the paper clips. Let's take a quick look at how beautiful this is. It's very interactive. There's lots of space for photos. There's all sorts of super duper fun embellishments in the kit. And I'll show you how the embellishments come because you have a little bit of work to do, guys. You get the chipboard, the cardstock, everything. The kit includes the tutorial that has step-by-step videos on how to create this from start to finish. The charm, the hardware, all of the goodies. So let me take you through what you get. So you get the Capture the Fun paper collection in both the 12 by 12 and the 8 by 8. It is necessary to have them both. So both of these. There's a supplemental sheet that you also get. Your supplemental sheet will be in your paper pack, okay? And the supplemental sheet just has about 8 new designs that were added to the Capture the Fun collection. You can pick up all of these items in my shop a la carte. I just made you a beautiful, beautiful kit. You get the chipboard that you need to create the box and the album cover. You get your pack of Maker Basics cardstock. This is the cardstock I use. You can find it in my shop. You also get a package of acetate. I have 2 types of acetate in my shop. I have a really thick one and I have a thin one. I use the thin one for both elements in the album and in the box. I did not use the thick one for this box. You get a roll of P3 tape and a roll of Maker Basics tape. These are 2 different tapes. This one is for construction of the pages. It's a double-sided tape. It's super duper 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 sticky. P3 tape is a finishing tape. So this is the tape I use for creating my projects, and you'll see this in the video. So what I mean by finishing tape is this right here is how we construct. Before we cover with paper, you use P3 tape to construct the actual box. We use glue and P3 tape. And by the way, you also get a bottle of glue. Forgive me, I don't have the glue here. So that, again, you have everything you need to create the project from start to finish. I don't think I put the glue in the description either, but you get glue, guys. You also get, this has nothing to do with the project, but I think it's a nice little something. You get the Paper Phenomenon keychain. It's really fabulous. And for the goodies, which is what makes a kit, I always say, you get your brads, and the brads I use right here at the very top of the box. So my brads are really fun. Well, not fun, they're brads. They're unique, guys. And the reason why I say they're unique is because they have really long legs and they have a beautiful gold finish. You're not gonna find these in an office supply store. Is there anything wrong with office supplies? No, nothing wrong, but mine are really pretty. They're very luxe. You get your twine. I used just a little bit of twine in here, so I included it because I did use it in this little spot right here. You also get this tag. It's not on the supply list, but you also get the tag. And again, to make it just like mine. And the acetate that you get in the kit is for all of the acetate fun things that I did with the embellishments. You know, like this little pull-out right here. You get all the acetate for that. Oh, you heard the camera? So cute. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Here, I have it in this little box of goodies. This is the anchor that I use, or hardware that I use to attach the charm assembly. Okay, So you get that, and you'll see that right, oh, there it is. Well, that anchor right there. So you get that in your kit, and that's in here. And then you get your charm assembly, which is stunning. I'm not even gonna open this one because I can't flash it. Look at that camera. Look at these beautiful beads. Just the finishes, guys, are unparalleled. And I will show you though, there is a difference between yours and mine, and I'll tell you what the difference is. I took the beads out. You see the beads in between the letters? I took mine out, and all you do is just cut it right here in the knot, and you take the beads out, you feed the other letters through, and it's just because I wanted it a little bit shorter. You may not want it shorter, okay? So that's the difference between mine. If you take out the beads, you can use the beads for something else. See, I wanted that. And this is how it comes originally. So you can customize this if you'd like to. It's yours, guys. It's absolutely a big yes if you want to customize it. So just gorgeous. Look at those finishes. Beautiful, beautiful things. So I think that's it. That's all you get in the kit, and you will be able, with this kit, you'll be able to make this gorgeous box. Hold on, please. Let me move the goodies. This gorgeous box right here, and your album, and it fits perfectly. Look at this. It is such a beautiful project. I just love it so much, and you guys love it so much. You gave me such wonderful feedback. And just make sure your camera is not flipped over the other way. You want it to have a little peekaboo through the side of the box. All right, so head on over, if you'd like a kit, to paperphenomenon.com. The first round of kits flew out the door. I added a few more kits to the shop, so if you'd like to have one packed and delivered to your home, go to paperphenomenon.com and pick up a kit. Thank you so very much for watching.